Okay, hello guys, welcome to my new video. And in this video, we will see some topics of SAP ABAP. And now let's discuss about string processing. Just like in all languages, string processing, here we will see some operations like combining the strings, that is concatenating and splitting the strings. And we have one small topic, that is Tcode. That means we can create our own Tcode with the help of this Tcode, that is SE93. After that, we have one program for a control break event. So at first discuss about control break events. Control break events is nothing but we can add some extra operations uh, for the table data. uh, we have at first at new field. Here we can take any field, at end of field, at last. And after that, so to execute this control break events, we have one program. You can see that. At first go to SE38, where you can go to the ABAP uh, program. For to write ABAP program, name the program, select as executable program, write the code, save, check and activate. This is the process. At first, let's see the code. You need to write tables. In the tables, which table you need to use, that is VBAK. Then go to types. Here you will declare the internal table. Syntax is very easy, don't confuse about it. Begin of internal table. Next, VBELN type VBELN underscore VA. That means we are taking the ID of the table. And next, NETWR. This is the amount. And then finally close the internal table. And then come to data. Here in this data, we will define the internal table, that is LT data type table of LTY underscore data. Then we will define one work area, that is LS data. And then we will define the, if we want to take the input, we can define parameters. Otherwise we can define selection screen. Parameters, before parameters we can take select options, it will be good. In parameters we can give only one input, that means only one value. When it comes to selection screen, we can give multiple value, that means we can give in range. For parameters, pvbln type vbln. For selecting range, we need to declare this selection screen begin of block name with frame title text. Then we need to close it, selection screen end of block b1. In the middle we need to write select options pvbln for vbak vbln. Here vbak is the table and vbln is the data type. So we need to take input for this. And then when we come to this, is the continuation of the program. And when it comes to here, select select query. In select query, uh, take select vbln netvar from vbak into table internal table where condition, just like in SQL. And then loop the data, that means from internal table to work area. And then we will use the control break events at first, at new, at end of, at last. At first means it will print only one time, that is main heading. Then at new, at every new VBLN it write the data. Then at end of VBLN, at end of every VBLN it sums the data. Here you can see the sum. Then at last, is nothing but uh, at the last we will say the the end of the data. Then we have what is end at is nothing but we are opening at first, at new, at end, at last. So we are closing them with the end at. This is the program. And then we have one topic, that is internal table. So we have two types of internal tables. That means with header line and without header line. With header line means that is implicit work area. We don't need to define any explicit work area. When it comes to without header, we need to define explicit work area. And here the syntax, just like we have seen in the above one. Types, begin of internal table, data type, variable type, data type, and closing. Next, in the data we will declare it lt data type table of internal table. Next, ls data type internal table. This is work area. In internal table we can store as many as records, but in work area we can store only one. And from through work area only we can fetch the data. Just remember this. Okay, thank you. We will see in next video.